So we are working on snowman arms. Firstly, this is green. This floral kit also came with that floral tape. So the brown might save me a little bit of painting and create a little more structure. So we will see. Let's just start. We're going with a three fingers. And hopefully, I just did a bend. I'm gonna do another bend. A little twist. May need a little bit of pliers, but this, I think this is 26 gauge if my calculations are correct. Just a little guy. Give that a twist. All right. Twist ourselves a little arm. I'm going to make it a little longer because I don't know how long I need or what kind of hand gestures this arm's going to do on my snowman. Let's just, that's going to be plenty long, I believe. I'll just cut the rest off the tip when the time comes. But yeah, there we go. The old howdy do. That was pretty straightforward. I'll need some pliers, just the dexterity of twisting that. But yeah, so far we got an arm. Now let's see if this tape meets the mustard or not. You know what my favorite part about tape is? Favorite part about your tape. We all have the same darn tape problem. Where does it start? Feels like there's an edge there. Oh man. I am not qualified to start this. Alright, we'll go backwards, okay? We're gonna go backwards. Don't judge me. I don't even know how this stuff works. Okay, but we're finding this out together. I just got attacked by tape. Word on the street is this stuff self-adheres. I feel like I will be the judge of that. So I got brown here. Let's see if it really does self-adhere. Kind of got that vibe about it. Not sure how to do those fingers. But I'll tell you what. It is giving it some texture. And a little bit of thickness. If the wire, I could just keep putting layers on this. If the thickness isn't to my liking, or let's just say I know a guy who drilled a hole too big on his snowman and he got to put arms in it. This may be a viable solution. I'm kidding. I didn't drill the holes yet because I didn't know what I was doing with the arms, but here we are with the arms. And it does stick onto itself and apparently nothing else except my thumb of my hand. Yeah, so this brown, hopefully this lighting's okay. Yeah, it gives it a little better texture, a little more branch-like. Just not sure how to do these fingers, because now that I've committed the branch to this, I feel like it's going to be origami time to try and... Maybe I just got to do it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, see? Learning on the job. Just do one and give it a go. Okay. Fold that over there. Okay. Yep, it's pretty forgiving. Not like modeling chocolate, but what the heck's happening there? Okay. maybe less forgiving. So you know when the spider hangs off the branch of your snowman? That's it right there. That's what you're looking at. Apologize. It's a small piece and I got big hands. So that's a couple problems. Problem number one is it's hard to maneuver around on this thing. Problem number two is you can't see nothing for my big meat hooks. Alright, I'm just going to give these all a little more of a twistedly twist. Of course. Oh, I did it. I did it. Alright. Let's talk about this now. Alright. That's a pretty decent looking hand. Look. How's that for some hand jive? Okay, look like a branch. It's a little jank because it's thicker in some spots, but it is pretty forgiving. I mean, arguably I could go down the branch like this and make this part just a little bit thicker with just a bit more tape. You know, so it doesn't look like the only branch in the world that gets thicker the further out it goes. But there we go. How's that? Looks like a branch to me. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try number two. So this time, trying something a little different. Try to do the hand first. I'm either going to have two really awesomely different looking branches, or I'm going to have learned a new way. So I started at the hand. Let's see what our survey says. Boomba. Just come back up a little bit. Try and get that thickness up there. Match up with the other one. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did buy myself a new GoPro. And so far, it has not cut out on me. So now I'm using a GoPro 13. The things I do for you guys. Well, we got two hands, roughly the same thickness. One of them is clearly giving somebody an inappropriate finger, but thankfully it's wire and we can adjust that. Yeah. There we go. We got arms. Now we just have to figure out how to drill holes and put them in. Word on the street is, and by word on the street I mean AI, I went and asked ChatGPT the best way to adhere these to the wood. Is that should I be using wood glue? And the answer is no, they're not wood. This is a use case for CA glue. Or epoxy it said, but I ain't touching that with a 10-foot pole, so I'm just going to use CA glue. We have arms. We have a snowman. I put marks where I'm going to drill the holes. We have a drill. We have no wife present. You don't hear her in the background anywhere. Not going very deep. I'm just cleaning that hole out a little. Okay. Other side. Who needs a drill press where we're from? Push those rough edges back inside. Now I'm not going to glue these in until after I've painted for obvious reasons. I just want to make sure that they're in deep enough and that they're long enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoop whoop. What do you think? We got arms. I feel like one arm is a lot longer than the other though. We may have to do a little snippety snip of that. Yeah, that arm's a little bit longer. I happen to have a pair of clippers here. I like to refer to them as my handy dandy clippers. Alright, because you know, let's get them about the same size. Remember which way you twisted it, because if you start twisting this tape on to make a taper, you twist the wrong way, you start taking your tape off. Alright. Tell you something I do enjoy a lot about this is now it's brown. I'm not going to have to paint it. Just got to glue it in. There we go. How does that make you feel? Not just me? It's looking good? What do you think? 2 thumbs up. This is a Floral wire kit. I'll put the link in my description. It came with a brown, 2 colors of green tape, 26 and 22 gauge wire. I will confirm in the description, or I'll put a note above here once I look which wire is which, because I really didn't look at the other wire pack. But 2 thumbs up for arms. Tell me what you think in the comments.